Hi everyone, so I'm back with another little digital for you. Right, it's 10 pages. I'm just getting one over here. 10 pages, and it is a floral ledger. So there's all floral in the background, ledger brought up the front. So this is it at its full size. I've printed the rest smaller because of the journal that I'm working on, and probably most of the journals that I'll be working on. I don't want them full size, so this is the size. I've done mine borderless. Oops, going the wrong way. So that is that is obviously with a border. If your printer has the option of borderless, then hit borderless if you don't want the border. So that is one. And then we have this one. Like I said, I've printed the rest of them smaller for the needs that I need them for. So then there's that one. It's got some roses and it's got bird there. And then this one again, we've got some birds in the background. Like I said, the florals are like behind, so they're what's the word, faded, that's the word. And then we've got some more florals there. They're all florals. I don't know why I'm saying like another floral one. Birdies, we've got two birds there. So these will be great. I kind of use these like in my journals when I'm doing my pages. Like, let me see, I've got a journal on the go, right? So I would maybe like fold that and maybe have it a little bit smaller than that page, but not as small as that page, if you know what I mean. Because I like the staggered look. That's why I've printed them a little bit smaller. So there's that. And this is using my new TN kit, which I will link below as well. I'll link this kit below if you want to go over. And then this one here, we've got some butterflies. And we've got another butterfly in that one there. And roses, butterfly and roses. And then again, some roses and some butterflies. So like I said, these ones are printed smaller. And they do come that size. No, they don't. They come in that size. That's with a border, okay? Yeah, because when I printed them, I was like, oh, I didn't do that. Oops, I just knocked the camera. Sorry. So yeah, 10 pages. Go check them out. And if you have any questions, just ask. Check out my other kits. I've put a few kits up, and I've got a couple of freebies to come up as well. Been doing a lot of digital stuff today because I've hurt my shoulder, so I can work with this hand okay. This hand's just a little bit sore at the moment. So yeah, go check them out. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.